Hey, good morning, guys. So today is July 4th. We're out here. We drove an hour and a half to go check out this car. As some of you guys may know, we're planning on selling the Subaru Forester. So I've been researching and kind of just looking at potential other cars that we could work on for the Subaru Offroad videos. And I think we've kind of found one. So we're here, drove an hour and a half to go check it out, and we'll see if we end up with the car today.
OG, yeah, this definitely feels pretty OG. Like,
probably like my grandpa or something, you know?
you like your grandma.
Yeah.
I mean,
So we actually have this running inside joke about her, like how she's a grandma, and I was like,
Yeah,
man,
grandma.
this car would be perfect for her.
There you go, you fit right in.
I fit right
Yeah.
in.
Hey guys, so we just test drove the car. Everything runs pretty damn smooth. It has a good feel on the gas pedal. It's kind of different because it's like a floor gas pedal, so it's definitely something that I'm not used to, but it's not bad. It feels a little bit more luxurious than what I'm used to, and it still retains like some of the creature comforts like heated seats and stuff. So I don't know. I was quite impressed by it. It looked pretty damn mint, but yeah, like I'm excited, and we'll see if we get the car.
Yeah.
So we made it back, guys,
Made it back home to San Diego.
and we got a 2002 Subaru Outback LL Bean edition. Got the heated seats right there. You can see it in the console right there. It's the 3.0 liter 6-cylinder. Has about like 200 horsepower. Nice leather interior with the LL Bean. Nice. Yeah, so I'm super happy, super stoked about it and excited. Can't wait to start putting this on like a lift and just start replacing the suspension parts and just making it more off-road ready, get some all-terrains, la-da-da-da-da-da-da.
I think also too, since it is an older car, I feel less guilty scratching it.
What? You feel less guilty what?
Scratching it, like when we go off-roading. This is beautiful, and it's hard sometimes to I mean, obviously we scratched it a couple times, but I feel less guilty. That's my personal take on it, but since it's older, I don't.
But look at this car. This is like in pristine condition, and you feel okay messing that up?
We're gonna go off-roading anyways, right?
Yeah, you're right. But yeah, look, I love it. Like, ugh, everything's so clean on it. I mean, it's dirty, but I mean, look, got the OEM roof rails. Look at that. Even has the original stickers, like dual sunroof, stuff like that. Like little things like that. Like, like this owner like babied it.
This was the only owner.
Yeah, they only had it only has one registered owner. Yeah, so we got really lucky. So when we were over there at the dealer, the price wasn't bad. I would say that there's probably a lot more other cars that you could get that are better for the price, but for what this is, like a super clean slate, I thought it was worth it. So